Well, if you made it this far, then I guess the last thing that we have to say at this point is thank you. We also want to encourage you to get in and really start playing with all the different tips, tricks, and tools that we've demoed here.
Yeah, so go out. Now is a perfect time you've got some of those Python skills ready. Now is a perfect time to go look for some data science tutorials. Check out some of the stuff on Microsoft Learn at docs.microsoft.com, some of the quick starts. You can find some really great tutorials to get started with machine learning, training models, and it should be a little easier now because you already know some of the code.
Yeah, so if you're looking for like specific spots to go in and start looking, check out the GitHub repository that we've linked to. You're going to notice that we've curated a handful of like kind of nice next steps in how you can continue growing from there. So now's the perfect time. Start writing some code. Thanks again.
Thanks again. See you next time.